Here's something that you've learned along the way, and we can use it to change metric measurements really easily if we remember this, because metric unit is based on multiples of 10. When you multiply a number by 10, the decimal moves one place to the right. For example, 5 times 10, 5.0 times 10 equals 50.0, right? So the decimal moved from there to there, one place to the right, leaving us with 50. A couple more examples. 102.3 times equals 1023. And 0.07 times 10 equals 0.70. You can see the one place movement of the decimal to the right gives us the result. Now when you multiply a number by 100, the decimal moves 2 places to the right. For example, 3.02 times 100 is 302, the decimal point moving 2 places to the right. When you multiply a number by 1,000, the decimal moves 3 places to the right. So for instance, 0.821 times 1,000 equals 821, the decimal having moved 1, 2, 3 places to the right. When you divide a number by 10, the decimal moves one place to the, not the right, but the left. 35 divided by 10, well, the decimal place is there, and it goes one place to the left. There is 3.5, and 5 divided by 10, the decimal place moves one place to the left. This equals 0.5. When you divide a number by 100, the decimal moves 2 places to the left. For example, 5 divided by 100 equals what? Well, here's the decimal. 1, 2 places there. I have to add a 0 there, so this is 0.05 is the answer. The decimal point ending up right there. Let's do 1,327 divided by 100 equals, well, the decimal point goes 1, 2 places, so 13.27, moving 2 places to the left. On this worksheet in your packet, we'll be using the logic of moving the decimal when we're changing a measurement from one metric unit to another, from centimeters to meters, right? Because we know that there is 100 centimeters in a meter. There is a change in 100, or a decimal shift 2 places between these two, depending which way you're going. It's going to be left or right. And then centimeters to millimeters, remember 1 centimeter, which isn't too big, there are 10 millimeters. So the decimal place will shift 1 spot here. So for the first one, 100 centimeters, let's go to millimeters. Here's the decimal, and centimeters are bigger than millimeters, so millimeters is going to be a larger number because there's more of them in the same length. So the decimal must be shifting to the right in this case. So we have 100 centimeters is 1,000 meters, and that should sound right because both of those is equal to 1 meter. Starting with 100 centimeters here and going to meters, the number gets smaller, and it's a factor of 100 different, and the decimal place moved right there, 1.0. So 1.0 1.0 meters is 100 centimeters, which is 1,000 millimeters. That should sound right to you. Let's look at this one right here, 657 millimeters. And I want to change that to centimeters. Well, that's a lot of millimeters, but it's going to be less centimeters because centimeters are bigger. So here's the decimal. It's a factor of 10 difference going to the centimeters. So that's a decimal place shift of 1. And it's going to go to the left from there to there. How about like from there to there? So 65.7 centimeters is that many millimeters. And then the decimal place keeps shifting to the left, and it's going to go just one places now because it's a factor of 100. So it's going to go from there to there. So 0.657 meters, 65.7 centimeters, which is 657 millimeters. And here that is just written a little bit more neatly.